Well, as of today, I got the other head on. It's all done. Springs all installed. Valve seals. Also got the roller lifters cleaned up and oiled up and installed. Next will be probably the push rods, or not the push rods, but the rocker arm studs that go in there. I gotta rock this screw and studs and guide plates put in. I think the rocker arm studs are in the being cleaned right now, or in the cleaner. I was almost gonna try putting them in, but I figured this was enough. Cover it up until next week. And also got this repaired, the rust hole that was right in here. Probably didn't help any, and I cleaned up the whole area across for the windshield and painted it with some, well, I didn't know at the time, didn't look at the can. I thought it was like a matte black, but it ended up being a gloss black, and I just painted the both A-pillars at the same time since they had bare metal on them. And I guess when I welded that, the paint burnt up here, so I just cleaned that up. And I guess I ordered the molding clips since I only have like these little clips. They hold the moldings on. I only got 4 of them, and I ended up ordering the little studs that hold them in. I got like 2 different kinds. There's a pop rivet type and a type that screws in, but I'm waiting for them to show up. That'll probably be a next weekend job. And I gotta clean up this area too. As you see, these are the little studs right there. They hold them clips in place, and then the moldings snap in all the way around. Since there's been so much metal replaced on the car, all of them are missing besides for the upper ones. And most of these are pretty well damaged. They're not very strong. They get damaged when you remove the clips. So I'll basically just grind them down and poke them out in there, because they'll move, and it'll leave a little hole to locate the new ones. Might have to drill them out a little bit, but try getting that done next week. And then this piece, I gotta still do that. Cut that out, and then cut the other piece out of the old other door, which is out there. I actually got the rims and tires out here. They're not installed. It's just the Chevrolet rally wheels. We had 4 of them. We gotta probably wire brush them really good and paint them black. Ain't in that bad a shape. And then the tires are over here. I got 5. Nothing real wide or tall or anything. You see they're 225, 70, 15. I got 5, so I actually have we'll use one of the 15-inch rims off the front of the Chevelle for a spare. It's got two 15s on the front inch wheel rims. I'll use one for a spare for this and one for a spare for my GTO. Otherwise these back ones are just 14s. But I think with the tires like that, it'll kind of, I think that may be like an original size type tire that was on the parts car, I think. But I don't know what size. I think with the taller tires like that, it'll ride a little better instead of having something that's really narrow. But that's all I got for now. And thanks for watching, and see you next time.